Imagine being able to have a guaranteed way to get clients for your marketing business or agency, and imagine having a guaranteed way to deliver massive value to each client you get on board. What are the two biggest problems marketers and agencies are facing today? Number one, to get clients in the first place. Number two, to deliver real results after you got your clients on board. Well, this is where SociCake Local Edition comes in. We created the ultimate marketing and agency done for you package, virtually guaranteeing incredible results for your clients and converting prospects into clients the easy way. We do this by providing 12, yes I said 12, high quality proven premium software solutions around Facebook and social media, allowing you to deliver incredible results for your clients and for your own business. You will never ever have to worry about how to deliver outstanding services for your clients. Secondly, we provide you with a massive professional done-for-you marketing package, including a slick and highly optimized PowerPoint presentation, a full-blown professionally designed agency website, our highest converting email sequence, a proven and rock-solid telemarketing script, premium business cards and graphics, a powerful lead generation brochure and done-for-you Facebook ads, and even a legal contract and agreement that you can use with your clients. You never have to worry about client attraction again. This marketing kit will make it effortless for you to convert prospects into clients. Now remember, you also get 12 proven software solutions to make sure that you can over-deliver for your brand new clients. Leveraging our brand new keyword software, using our social media sync technology, designing incredibly beautiful Facebook ads in a snap, setting up sophisticated and automated messenger bots in just a couple of clicks, leveraging the incredible Facebook Live technology, or broadcasting messenger notifications with just one push of a button. It's now all possible with your brand new SociCake Local Edition platform. You can work with influencers, you can work with local businesses, or you could offer freelancing services. The opportunities are endless. Don't forget, with this package, you get all 12 software solutions and all 8 marketing resources for the price of just one. So don't hesitate and come on board now before the special deal is over. Take action immediately and grab your early bird copy right away.